What is the maximum height a ball reaches that has a flight path of h of t equals negative 4t squared minus 30t plus 20? Now this equation has a negative a term. So this coefficient on t squared is negative 4, which means this has a flight path that looks something like this. So it is going to have a maximum reach up here, and it's going to be at this vertex spot up here. That's going to be the maximum height that it reaches. So we could do this on a graphing calculator, which we might, but we can also do it by hand, and that's what I'm going to do right now. So this highest point is going to be the vertex of this equation. And one of the best ways to find that is to say the x value on the vertex is going to be negative b over 2a. Well, this is a is negative 4, b is negative 30, and c is 20. So what we're going to do is do the opposite of b, which would be 30 from this equation up here. And then 2 times a. Well, since a is negative 4, 2 times a is negative 8. So 30 over negative 8 reduces to negative 15 over 4, which is approximately negative 3.75. So negative 3.75. So then what we're going to do is take this value, and I'm going to take the fraction form, and we're going to put it up here to find this vertex. So I did that right here. So I'm taking negative 15, 4. So it's negative 4 times negative 15 over 4 squared times negative 30 times negative 15 over 4 plus 20. Now I'm going to do that math. So if you square the negative 15, you get 225. 4 squared, 16. Multiply negative 30 times negative 15, you get 450. So that's 450 over 4. If we go ahead and multiply these together, 4... Well, actually what I did was I cross-canceled here because I saw that these had a common factor. So 4 goes into 16 4 times. So I reduced this by canceling. And then I changed this one to 80 over 4. That way I would have all denominators of 4. And then I was able to add those together. So negative 225 plus 450 is 225. And then I added that to 80 over 4. Well, that's 305 over 4, which is 76.25. So that's my answer. So what I'm saying is this, that the maximum height on this to the ground is about 76.25. So if this is in feet, that'd be about 76 feet. If it were in yards, then that's the number of yards. But 76.25. And where that occurs is at negative 3.75. So if you actually graphed this out, the ordered pair, negative 3.75 and 76.25 is the vertex for this particular graph, which is going to be the maximum point. So the maximum is the 76.25 that we found, and where that maximum occurs is at the x value of negative 3.75. And that's how you do this. Now the alternative is to take a graphing calculator and type this equation in and graph it and figure out where that peak is. Now sometimes you can do that by using the trace menu, or you can do it by looking at the table of values and trying to pinpoint where that peak is. So the highest point is the vertex. See ya.